Hey everyone, today we'll be solving 3.2.s. So Iggy borrows X for 10 years. So this is a loan problem, and we have the loan equals X, which we are going to be solving, and we have an effective annual rate of 6%. And it says that if he pays the principal and the accumulated interest in one lump sum at the end of the 10 years, he would pay $356.54 more in the interest than if he repaid the loan with 10 level payments at the end of each year. Okay, so the key to this problem is to identify what equation you're going to use. And the hint is right here. He would pay $356.54 more in interest. So we want to find the differences in interest. Set the left-hand side and the right-hand side equal to each other from the lump sum and the 10 level payments. Okay, so that isn't too hard once you figure out the equation. So let's just write every parameter down. We have X equals the loan. We have interest of 6%. Okay. So our formula we're going to be using is the loan times 1 plus the interest rate and 10 years, n equals 10, to get us the interest accumulated for that loan. But this includes the loan, so we do need to subtract the loan from it to get just the accumulated interest. So we have our left-hand side finished. Great. Now we have to find the right-hand side. So he would pay $356.54 more, so we would need to put that on the right-hand side just to add it to be equal to our left-hand side equation. So if he repaid the loan with 10 level payments, we don't know what the payments are, but we can set up an equation where P, the payment, with an annuity of 10 years, angle 6%, equals our loan amount. So from here, we can extract and separate P to be equal to our loan amount divided by the annuity immediate of 10 years and 6%. So now that we know our payments, it says that we have 10 level payments. So we do need to multiply this by 10 to get our 10 payments. So we have 10 times our P, X divided by A, 10, 6. Okay? And we can't forget to subtract by our loan amount again to X out the loan. We just want the interest rate. These two equations are only for the interest rates. Okay. So obviously we can cancel out minus X and minus X here. So we're left with X times 1.06 to the 10 equals 356.54 plus, we'll do 10 divided by our annuity immediate times X. And now we can solve for this value and this value. So using our calculator, 1.06 to the 10 equals 1.7908477. I'm going to try to be as accurate as possible. And then we have 356.54. And then we need to calculate the annuity immediate, 10N, with 6% I, one payment, and calculating the present value, we get 7.36. So that's just the annuity, so we need to divide that by 10. 10 divided by the answer equals 1.3586. So we will write that down. All digits. So if you see here, oh, forgot an x. We have two x values, 1.79 and 1.36. So we can subtract this to here to get us 1.79084777 minus 1.35867958 to get us 0.4321681 on the left hand side with x equals 356.54. And all we need to do is solve for x, so we divide this value to get us 825. So the original loan amount that Iggy borrows is $825, and that is the right answer.